Hi and welcome to Cakes and Conversations, and this video is just for assembling the asymmetrical cake that is in trend right now. But instead of three layers, I'm doing only two, and I'll show you how to stack them. I have my chocolate cake ready, chocolate sponge, ganache, truffle cake. Make your cakes as normal, and then I have my buttercream. I have my honey cake ready here, the Russian Medowick honey cake. And I'm just gonna finish the buttercream coat and then I will show you how to assemble it. So this is just an assembly video, short video. Keep watching. So both the cakes are ready to be stacked. This is a little unfinished because underneath is whipped cream, and I will finish that, but I'll stack it first. So I've got just one bubble tea straw which I'm going to insert in the center. Okay, I will measure and cut this. Now whichever side I want this cake to be stacked on, I will insert the next bubble tea straw in this in between of the center and the edge. Here one and here one. So I'll show you. So if you see, that's how I did center and then this side. Okay, all the three. I'll just stack the cake up on this and show you how it looks like. Now this is a 10-inch board. This is an 8-inch cake. There is an 8-inch board also in the bottom, so it's easy to pick and transfer. I just inserted my spatula and it's easy to lift and move. Okay, let's stack it up quickly. And this is how it's done. If you see, there is a board beneath. Okay, I will be inserting one single straw dowel here, so that during transit this doesn't lift, because with the weight, if you see, okay, that's the reason. And I'm just going to finish and decorate this cake. And here's how my grey and white birthday cake looks like. Thank you so much for watching.